Hi guys, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery having an exquisite eye makeup day. Look at these things. My brows are good. Zane, how are your brows?
Keep your eyes on the road.
So anyway, what was I going to talk to you guys about? Oh yes, so I got a question the other day about Xactimate training, because as you probably know by now, I partnered with Alina Wilson, who is an absolute G at Xactimate training. That's what she's done for years and years for contractors specifically. And so we launched the online program several years ago called Xactimate Mastery, which is specifically for storm restoration contractors who are doing insurance claims and supplementing, stuff like that. Anyway, so I had a question about the live Xactimate training, which is put on by Xactimate, right? Like Xactware puts it on. I think it's down in Texas somewhere. And you go for 2 or 3 days or something like that. And then that's that. Versus the online Xactimate Mastery course that I offer. And here's the difference. So Xactware puts on these live trainings, but they're meant to train adjusters. So we're roofing contractors, right? And we don't like how adjusters write estimates. So why do we want to go to a training where we're gonna learn how to write estimates like adjusters? That doesn't make any gosh darn sense, does it? Second, a lot of the stuff is irrelevant to you because you're not an adjuster. They're gonna be teaching you stuff. I get emails all the time. People email me and say, I went to the live Xactimate training and honestly, half of it, I was just like, this is a waste of my time. I don't need to know this stuff. So you're also getting a lot of information that is useful to adjusters, really kind of a waste of your time, and you're paying for that. The third issue is you've got the live training, which is, some people enjoy going to a live training, but when you leave, you are relying on your memory and your chicken scratch notes from 3 days, right? You can't go back and watch a video unless you've been sitting there doing it on your phone, and then it's not organized. You've just got like tons of videos and screenshots and stuff on your phone. It's not like in an organized way that you can retain and go back to review. So online training is just, for me personally, and I think most people do feel this way as well, it's just better. You can go back to it over and over. You can go and search a specific issue and go and review your notes. You can open up on one screen your training and open up on your another your Xactimate, so you can follow along in the tutorial and build it step by step, okay? And again, the Xactimate Mastery course online, our course, that's specifically made for you guys as roofing contractors in the context of, we know that you're gonna be supplementing using this stuff. So we're showing you things that Xactware is not exactly gonna be teaching you, because they're not showing adjusters to write that stuff. It's irrelevant to them. So how does it differ? Well, you don't have to buy a plane ticket, take 3 or 4 days off of work, fly out of the state, go sit in a class, learn 50% of the stuff you don't need to know, trained in the way of an adjuster, spend a bunch of money to do that, miss work, come back, barely retain any of it, and rely on your chicken scratch notes. Or you can have right at your fingertips in the comfort of your home everything online for you. Xactimate training specifically for storm restoration contractors, online, in front of you on the computer. You could go back to it, you could pause it, something you don't understand, you can watch it again, and you have the support forum. So you also have direct access to Alina Wilson and myself. Alina is one of only 19 certified Xactimate trainers when I linked up with her a couple years ago. So she's a badass. And you can specifically ask her questions, get help, and network with all the rest of the group, okay? Instead of, well, now I gotta either see if I can find the answer online somehow, or I have to like just pay $25 for an Xactware support call, and those things are bullshit anyways, right? So all in all, am I biased? Absolutely 100%. But is it totally grounded? Yes. I highly recommend the online course, you guys. You just get a lot more out of it, specific to you. You could go back to it over and over, and ultimately it's going to cost you less money than going to live training, taking off work, buying a flight, getting a hotel, and then not even being able to retain much of the information. Plus, as an added bonus, you walk away with over 100 pre-built macros. Macro templates. That means one-click bulk add features that auto-fill your estimates for all different kinds of projects. You don't walk away with that from a live Xactimate training by Xactware. So that's all for now. Hope that gave you some info and helped you kind of compare what's going on with those two programs. You can go to the website roofsalesmastery.com if you'd like to enroll in those courses. There's a supplement bundle there. You can check that out. It's all there on the website. So as always, keep it crunchy, you guys. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the website, like I said, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.